Looking for formulas that promote thicker, fuller-looking hair while also protecting your vibrant color? Look no further than Colorproof's Biorepair Thicken Collection. Biorepair Thicken shampoo deeply cleanses and exfoliates the hair and scalp, encouraging new growth while safeguarding hair color and refreshing you with the aroma of fresh lime, eucalyptus, mint leaf, and rosemary. This concentrated, sulfate-free formula removes impurities, stimulates the scalp, and nourishes weak strands, leaving you with the appearance of thicker, fuller hair. Biorepair Thicken Conditioner has a nourishing effect on the scalp thanks to an infusion of vitamins and peptides that is both strengthening and volumizing for fuller-looking hair. With Phyto-CP Complex, biotin and copper peptides, and phytonutrients and vitamins, this formula helps prevent follicle minimization, removes buildup, and energizes the scalp, all while prolonging the vibrancy of your hair color. For a scalp revitalization treatment, reach for Biorepair Thicken Scalp Serum. Balancing and effective, this formula stimulates your scalp with an immediate infusion of rejuvenation and strength. With ingredients like biotin, alpha-hydroxy acid, grape stem cells, tea tree leaf oil, and other phytonutrients and vitamins, this easy-to-use serum absorbs quickly into the hair and enhances scalp health while promoting hair growth. Biorepair Thicken Blow Dry Spray revolutionizes your styling routine by increasing fullness and weightlessly volumizing fine, thinning hair. With its heat-activated formula and delightful aroma, this spray thickens, adds volume, and provides long-lasting hold while protecting your hair color from heat damage. Remember, every Colorproof product contains our proprietary advanced Color Last system that combines a powerful blend of proteins and antioxidants to repair, preserve, and protect against fading so you can be your most vibrant self.